stationary.
Thousands of feet up in the air, NDTV is flying in Air India Express's first custom configured line fit Boeing 737-8 MAX aircraft. Now, what is it that makes this aircraft so special? Well, first off, it is this ergonomic design seating that the aircraft has, which is to keep in mind, of course, the passenger comfort. As you can see, the recline is so well here. The leg room is also very generous in this aircraft, this particular model of the aircraft. And why ergonomic do I say? Because the cushion fitting is very plush. That means, of course, this is keeping passenger convenience at first in mind. Now, second of what makes this aircraft particularly unique is the cabin space. You know, usually we have a down to up approach in terms of cabin space, and as you can see here, I'll ask my camera person to come closer to this point and show you the amount of space that this cabin luggage system overhead bin has at this point in this aircraft. It's completely spacious. It's almost double the space, and it's new at this point. And nobody likes a soggy cold meal on their flight, do we not? Yeah. So this particular aircraft of Air India Express has hot oven meals inside. That means your meals are going to be served fresh and hot to you, to your exact time point in temperature as well. And they have these oven services inbuilt into the aircraft. Now, this Boeing 737-8 MAX was brought in directly from the Seattle facility of Boeing for Air India Express specifically. The major factor about this aircraft that we are showing to you at this point is that the fact that this was completely custom configured, as in up until now Air India Express, like its parent company, has been using white tail jets. That means that the aircraft has been designed keeping generically in mind. It was not designed specifically for Air India Express, but this is the first time that the aircraft has been specifically custom designed for Air India Express. Definitely this aircraft is new, and what the cabin crew has been resonating about Ratan Tata, the name of this aircraft is VTRNT, which stands for the former chairman emeritus of the Tata Group, Ratan Naval Tata, and this is a tribute to the Tata legacy. NDTV Bureau Report, Tanushka Datta.